Hi guys, Scott McFarlane here from Again Real Estate and welcome to 2 of 18 Archerfield Avenue in the beautiful Christies Beach. It's really rare to get these single story courtyard homes at this sort of price range, and this one is exceptional. 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, open plan living. Why don't we go inside and check it all out? There you have it. What a wonderful home. It's really hard to find these compact courtyard homes that are perfect for easy care living, and I love the location here, close to Beach Road, great public transport, just down the road from Colonnade Shopping Centre, and of course you've got the beautiful Christies Beach right at the end of Beach Road. It's an amazing suburb to live in, and I can't wait to show you this one. My name's Scott McFarlane from Again Real Estate. Hope to see you in an open soon.